Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Can everyone hear me? I think
Yeah, we can hear you and we can see you. So can you please introduce yourself in 1 minute?
Sir, as you know, my name is Jenia Sharmin. I am in 8th semester right now. I'm from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Right now, I work as a student mentor of new freshers, and I'm the chair of IEEE Computer Society as well. And I'm working as an intern in Green University Language Center. I have some hobbies. I love to read research papers, and I love something that can enhance my knowledge. And I have done so many debating competition and programming competition. So that's it about me. Thank you.
So what is your current CGPA right now?
Sir, my
What is your
current CGPA
CGPA?
is 3.76.
So do you think spending a lot of time with the IEEE it helps your results, or it's kind of
So definitely it helps
tough?
my result because in IEEE I can learn so many things, and in my field the CSC department this IEEE has helped me a lot because it organized so many webinar and reorganized so many webinars so that it enhanced my knowledge so well. Thank you.
Thank you. So maybe Professor, you can take over and ask questions. Professor.
Which semester do you study, Jenia? Which semester?
Sir, I couldn't. Sir, I'm in 8th semester.
8th semester. Oh, you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe Trader sir, you can continue. Maybe Professor sir got a bit disconnected. I will bring him back.
Field.
Yeah.
Oh,
Professor
sir
sir
already came, I think.
Okay, so I will do this for slides. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Okay.
Yeah, Professor, can you continue with the questions?
Okay, I think yes.
Okay. Jania, how are you today? Jania, how are you today?
fine. Alhamdulillah.
Awesome.
What about you, sir? Sir, are you listening me?
Computer, net সমস্যা.
Hello.
Yeah, I think Professor sir, is the internet is having problem on your side.
I'm also very fine. Okay, I was late.
So Jenia Sharmin, I want to talk. Okay. I mean,
Okay.
I think my network is good, I think, right now. Anyway,
Okay,
in which area do you want to learn more and more knowledge is in computer science or engineering? Many areas are there. Nowadays,
Professor sir is back. I think it's okay now.
Okay.
Let's say him continue, then we come back.
Can you hear me, Dr. Shihab?
Yeah, yes, sir.
We are hearing. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Jania, do you want to be a critical thinker?
sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
Definitely.
Why you want to be so?
Sir, critical thinking is a part of everyone, I think. Everyone faces so many problems in their lives. So it's a part of everyone's life. So everyone is critical thinker. So if I am on that place or on that path, so I think I'm good to go.
Do you think that this competency is very much required for upcoming workplaces?
Sir, definitely, because in upcoming situation, though we have facing so many pandemic situations, and this situation is getting so much worse and worse. So in future, I think the job sector will be in online and so as these educational systems. So whenever we want to get on in this job sector, or we want to be in any job position, we have to be a critical thinker.
Okay, so you have studied many courses, core courses of computer science and engineering, right? Up
Yes.
to this 8th semester.
Yes,
what are the courses attracted you the most?
Sir, right now I am studying in computer networking. It attracts me the most, I think, because it has so many interesting things, and I loved it. Otherwise, C, object-oriented programming, is one of my favorite topic, because I said you first that I have attended so many national and international.
Okay. Regarding object-oriented programming, what are the lucrative features you have found in object-oriented programming compared to structured programming?
Sir, object-oriented programming has it's kind of implemented most used thing that is, object-oriented programming is based on Java, which is basically everyone, every CSE engineer do that. But that doesn't mean structured programming can't do that. Structured programming is something that we have to use in object-oriented programming, because structured programming is something that we have to structured way. We have to do that in structured way. Like if we want to.
Okay. Other than Java, can you name any other object-oriented programming language?
JavaScript is not. Python, Ruby.
Have you heard about C++?
Yes, definitely. C++, Java, Ruby. Yeah.
Is C++ an object-oriented programming?
Sir, no.
No?
No, maybe no.
Maybe, or you are sure?
Confusion, I think.
Sir, I think no. Yeah, it's a no.
Okay. You have successfully given the wrong answer.
Successfully given the wrong answer.
Okay. My next question is, have you studied discrete mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir. It was your course.
Who taught this course?
Sir, you taught this course.
Me?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, my first question is, why does a computer engineer need to study discrete mathematics as one of the major courses? Why?
Sir, at first, we need to know the basics. If we don't know the basics, we can't go in an advanced way. So discrete mathematics is a root that we need to know, that we must need to know. So discrete mathematics have so many theories, so many logical errors, and a lot of things that can build our basic knowledge, and also it helps us to know the to build in advanced way.
Okay. Let me put some counter arguments with you. Okay. You see, you talked about fundamentals. Fundamentals can be learned from computer fundamental or introduction to computer, right? You talked about logic. Logic can be taught in digital logic design course. So it's enough. So why do I need to study discrete mathematics? The title is calling discrete mathematics, but it is incorporated as one of the core course, CSE core course of computer science. So what is the basic notion of teaching discrete mathematics to first semester students of CS graduates?
So discrete mathematics, we need to know the discrete mathematics. We need to learn the discrete mathematics because most of us don't know about why we have come here to learn the CSE background. We don't know the ICT. We don't read very well in ICT. So whenever I have this fundamental idea of discrete mathematics and any other mathematical term.
Okay. Let me help you out. Does discrete mathematics teach to translate English sentences in mathematical form?
Yes, sir.
Does it do that?
Yes, sir.
I
We
believe
have
you will say
suffix.
that. Okay, now.
Suffix, prefix.
Yeah, now my question is, what are the tools of discrete mathematics that you will use to translate English sentences in logical form, in mathematical form? What are the tools have you studied over there?
Sir, and, or, but, these are the logical things. And whenever we have suffix, we have suffix, prefix that can additional, that is additional sides. And it totally it's something that I can't get you.
Are you afraid of today's interview, board?
Sir, I wasn't afraid until you were present.
Nauzubillah. Sir, Treasurer sir.
Actually, sir, you three made me. My hand is shaking.
Oh,
now.
I see. In front of a bhai about you don't dare actually. You should be like this. Okay, all are my student. I am the teacher. Just like you think, imagine yourself. Then it will be easier. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way we are developing our students. Actually, say you are a CSC, going to be a CSC graduate. Say people are taking signal in different form, processing it, and give the result through computer system. And people are using it. Say hand signal, okay, or face signal, okay. If you want to scan the face, we want to identify the face. You are a CSC graduate. How you just only think? Maybe you did not do this, but I am telling you how to do this process. How to take the signal into your computer, how to process.
Sir, it's totally based on.
Is it machine learning? Can you say this one?
Yes, sir.
This is machine learning.
Yes, sir. This is totally dependent on machine learning and artificial intelligence. Whenever I have to give my face, it have to respond this. So in that case, I have to use artificial intelligence, and whenever I have to give some signals that is my face, it is totally based on machine learning. So it's a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Then how shall you take the signal into the computer?
Sir, by registers, actually, sir, I didn't still not studied the machine learning. I
understand that one, but I want to say just your idea, imagination, how to do it.
I think
the
registers will help. The registers and the assembly language will help us the most. The machine learning language will help us the most because it's
totally language is later. But what I want to know, you take the signal, face signal, and you have to receive into the computer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Then how should you receive this face signal? Face is outside.
Yes, sir.
How can you take this face signal? This one I want to know.
Sir, at first I have to click my pictures, that is face, and I have to make some side areas, some diagonals and some dimensions, so that it can recognize the face. And whenever this face is round or large, I have to put that as a defined area, like as we give it as defined in C. So it's something like we have to input this as signal.
Okay, that is all from me, I think. Yeah.
sir, over to me. Okay.
Please.
So I think we're running out of time a little bit. But
That is why you should
done the database course.
Yes, sir. I have written.
Can you tell me about what is the normalization of a database?
Sir, normalization. Actually, I can't recall this at this moment, but as I can remember, normalization is a process where I need to where a database have some formation that can help the database columns, not like columns. It's the tables that is sorted out, and not like sorted out. It's has some process, three process names, like normalization and so on. So I actually can't recall the
yeah, that's fine. And so why have you applied to our company? Like what is your motivation, and what extra thing that you can bring yourself compared to other candidates?
Sir, I think I will try my best. You can say it will do every contestant and every participant. But sir, I think I can manage multiple tasks at a moment. So now I have a calm-minded. I'm a calm-minded person. So I think whenever you give me a task, I can fulfill it by any other hesitation or.
Thank you very much, Jinia Sharmin. So we're gonna let you know about our decision very soon.